Hello everyone, in this video I'm going to walk you through how to fix Samsung phone's sound problem. The first thing you do is tap on settings, and then you have sounds and vibrations. This is where you get all the options for sounds. So tap on it. Now you can see my do not disturb is turned on, so there won't be any sounds. So if you don't want this, you can simply pull down from the top here and turn off do not disturb so you can hear the sounds. Now, if it doesn't make any sound, you can put on vibrate, mute, and put on sound. So if you like to put on sound here, the next thing, vibrate while ringing, you can turn it on or off. It depends on you. You can fix your ringtone sound by tapping on ringtone here, tapping on the sound. You can fix the notification sound by tapping on the screen sound over here. You can adjust the volume, the ringtone.
I don't change my name to body. I no more, I don't buy more to body.
So you can also increase the volume for the media and the system. Right now it's notification reduced. So you can also decide to use the volume keys for media. So you can turn it on or turn it off. If you turn it on, it means you can use the volume keys to control the voice of the media. If you turn it off, it means you can't. It depends on you. You can also tap on the three dots at the top right corner to edit media volume limit. Now right now, if you turn it on, it means you want to protect your ears with the media volume limit for headphone and Bluetooth audio devices. So you can set volume limit. You can also use the volume limit. You can set it. You can also set volume limit pin, which means once you put in that pin, the limit cannot be increased. So it depends on, you can turn it off, which means you don't protect yourself from too loud for noise on voices. You need to be protecting yourself from loud noise. The next thing you have is, so I show you that you go back. You have call vibration pattern, you can set it here. We have notification vibration pattern, set it here, vibration intensity, every time it's vibration. Then we have system sound and vibration control. Here you can control the sound and vibration. This for sound. So touch interaction, screen lock, unlock. You want any of this on, you put them on. This for vibration. This for vibration. You want the vibration to be on for any of this, also you turn it on. Depends on you. So we also have sound quality and effects. Here, where doubles atmosphere and does atmosphere gaming. I'm not involved in that. That's why it's high. That's why it's grayed out. The next one I have a separate app sound. Tap on it. Which means you want to play media sound from apps on a separate audio device. Make sure you choose an audio device that's different from your main audio output device. You can turn it on by tapping on turn on now. Then you select the app and audio device by tapping on select, through the prompt, and that's it. So the next thing you do, go back, and that's it.